Ore.
Why are you color coded with your new favorite car?
Because I love this car to bits.
Look, blue on white and
Blue and blue.
blue on white.
Oh, you know this is that geezer called that gas station. Oh, fucking yeah. Where you going, blood?
He sells up and he loses races.
It's a bit hard to recognise. You could put a few pounds on his seat. I took him off, gave it to him.
Someone called him that gap year Asian.
Oh shit, that gap year Asian. That's a good one. This is that boy in mine, you know. He rolls 101 miles an hour. Him and Shrey back to our cousins. Real life.
Well, listen,
No joke.
tell the camera the pancake mix story, man.
No. That's our story. That's one of the one story, bro. He's my boy, man. Love him, man. But we know Billy when he's this big, when he had nappies and
Billy.
Yeah,
Billy
man.
in the middle.
Billy the kid. Anyway, welcome to Big Saj, aka BMT. Sometimes I'll go my name and then your name and then your
Whatever
name.
way, same thing.
Saj copy my big word though. Anyway, yeah, so. You said ratatouille.
Yeah,
You gone?
Waffle.
See, they're going now, bro. They're shook. See, he's all formal.
Are you actually taking a gap year?
Nah, I'm out door slammers.
He's out, man. He's out. Chilling,
Door
bro.
slammers. Was there like 20,000 events before door slammers?
Yeah, no, there's only 3.
Okay.
Yeah, say nothing.
Just say, boys.
Look, he's trying to be a good Samaritan now. That gap Asian. Oh, Hadi, what if the X3M does a 9.6? What if the X3M does a 9.6?
Bro, I'm gone. I'm signed with this.
So this is the whip.
The new Basanti.
The love of my life.
Why?
Yes, I love surfer, but I hate surfer. Yeah?
Why do you hate the surfer, Jam?
Just I hate surfing, man. I love surfer to
Love-hate
bits.
relationship.
Yeah, you gotta have that. But you know, with this one, I'm so much in love with it. I know it's gonna hurt me. Do you get me?
Baby, don't
But-
hurt me.
She's good. She's alright.
on.
As you can see, we bought a brand new set of orders. No, brand new set of B-Lax. Big up to Frank, so tatted from the USA. Man patterned these for me, man. Gave me an absolutely amazing deal.
Big up Fwank. It's Fwank, innit?
Frank.
Fwank with a W.
Frank. So the good thing about these are, well, it's not a good thing really. These B-Lax on the back are made for all-wheel drive. You can't put normal slicks on these. It won't work. It sticks out this fucking much. So anyway, he had the back ones. I had front ones, but I just bought the whole set off him, man. Brand new slicks, brand new everything. I don't know how it's gonna launch.
You know how it's gonna launch?
That's what we're hoping. So, but yeah, like you saw the setup before. I think if you watched the
But
video
now let's
before,
see it.
need to give it a
Complete.
wash. Big man thing. As you all, some of you must have saw the video of this car racing the Evo. It worked phenomenal. It worked amazing. Now we still got a radiator issue where the water's still pushing. Now my heart's telling me that the head's cracked.
But your body.
They say no. Because what happens is when you're on full chat, it doesn't really push and it doesn't really get hot. But when you're cruising, it gets really hot. So, but then sometimes it doesn't really get hot, but it still pushes water at low temperature. But what I realized is this cap is a bit shit. So I bought a new cap. This is a 2-bar cap. If I push water at a 2-bar cap, then you know you got an issue.
Serious pressure.
But look, this one's much tighter. It's much better. So I'm hoping it's just this. But it works. It's still fine. There's nothing wrong with the car. All the power's there and everything. I've done compression tests and everything seems all right. It might have a little hairline crack, but it is what it is. We're going to go Sunday, and we're just going to do the first run. We're going to roll off the line. Not roll off the line, but, you know, like...
We're gonna
ride the fuck
fly
out.
off the line.
We're going to fly, but we're going to ride the clutch off the line. If I got the hang of that, and it pops off, let's just be rude. Let's say if it does a mid-9, yeah? That's me being generous. Mid-9. Next run, I'm gonna do a rolling burnout past, you know, like one of the fucking pro mod cars. All the way down. And then I'm just gonna launch it as hard as I can. And then hopefully that should secure a flat 9 or an 8-9. Aim is to get it into the 8s. If it gets into the 8s, it will be amazing.
What happens when this does an 8-4, Jamin? Third run.
I don't know if you'll do the third run.
But
Okay, let's before we jump
what
there.
predictions or
I
something?
think he has got the power to do a nice mid-8, but I can't turn up the any more boost. It's only running 31 PSI. I need to change my wastegate spring, and I ain't doing that at the minute, because then he has to go back on the dyno and all of this shit, and I can't be arsed with that. So, the only thing that can let this car down is realistically, if this water issue is quite serious. Me and Sabil goes put an overflow tank on. I don't really run overflow tank, but he goes put one on. So we put one on, we cable tied it on with our best friend,
Alan Rock massive.
and we're just going to try it. And maybe the water that's supposed to need to release goes into there. Might be just you never know.
It should work.
So, the only thing that can actually break, the gearbox is strong, nothing strong in cars, as everybody knows. The only thing that can break is the rear shafts or the rear diff, or if I've got so much torque that the chassis twists and breaks the prop shaft. Because they're the only two things on my car, on this car specifically, that are the weakest point. Now the CRV diff has got clutch packs done. Now the clutch packs is where you take the front casing off, take the packs out, you drill a hole, you pin them, weld them shut, take the pump that is inside it, and that's it. They say it's good for 900 brake apparently. So I'm 907. But with these slicks on, and if you put all the power down, it probably make a bit more than that, to be honest. So anyway, that the rear diff can brake, or the rear shafts can brake. Now I haven't bought the new shafts yet. They're in pipelines. I have brought a set. But I'm also debating whether to change my rear diff or not. I don't want to change it. Everyone's like, change it. The only reason I haven't changed it is because in the UK, we struggle to get Wago stuff. Wago stuff is very good, but Wago stuff is like 3.5 grand for a rear diff.
Holy moly.
And if you want one, you can only get it from the States or someone. There's another guy I know in Holland, I think, who's got one. Who's got a few. But a CRV diff is only £150. I bought one today, actually, £100. Why lie? So if that breaks, 6 bolts, diff off, next bolt, off you go.
And jobs are good.
Jobs are good. And this car wasn't made for drag. It was made for street drag. So,
That's what they all say.
yes. Since the last time it's been out, it's also got a sequential gearbox, which everyone knows that now anyway. And it's got a billet transfer box with high point gears. So all of that side of things is good. But Andrew Mercer from Momentum messaged me today because he saw my post and he's like, Jam, keep an eye on the box because the housing on the box tends to twist. And I don't have a billet bellows in yet. It's very expensive. But inshallah, maybe later in the year, if it does well, we'll do it. But the whole purpose of this weekend is going to be to go and get the launch right and then have it ready for all the little lifestyle events at Pod and the run and the airline strips to race the Beamers, the new style cars and all of that crap. So, like
No more Evos. They're dead and buried, bro.
Evos are
Gone.
It'd be nice to race some Skylines.
Oh.
R35, some 1400 brake plus.
Oh, 34s.
I know I sound a bit cheeky calling out a 1400 brake Skyline with a 900 brake. Okay, let's just call it, I don't want to call it 1,000 because it didn't make the figure. The figure it made was 907, but I think it moves like 1,000. We will find out from Pod, because if I do 160 plus with a 1.364, that is close to 1,000. Because in a front wheel drive, you have to do 170 at like 1.564, and that's 1,000 brake, 170 plus. But obviously, if the shorter your 64, the less miles per hour you have at the top. But if you have the shorter 64 and you make a lot of miles per hour at the top, you know you're packing some heat. So, Apple. So yeah, we're still quite new. We don't know what tyre pressures to run. I've asked a few guys.
I'm the guy for tyre pressures.
Of course you are.
10
and this
12.
one is actually correct for you because the back needs to be more than the front, they say.
12.
Okay. But that doesn't mean, I mean rear and front, not opposite, okay? Not this side 10 and that side 2 or something.
It's a weapon in that event, though.
Yeah,
Miro killed you how many times?
3 times.
3 times.
But use the time man for my car, so, you know, maybe you...
Now is the time for his car. That's what I'm telling you. You said that I think doing his tyres made him win, which is not true, but you know, a man can dream.
So I'm going to leave a passenger seat in there. I think you're not allowed to go over 114 a passenger. So it's just to get the feel of the car. Once the car does a nice time and I'm happy with it, I'll start taking you or whoever else is out there. If it depends if we get the runs in it. It's not Scott today. Scott today still would have been great. You would have get more runs in. But this is going to be first run with your Bronx. So it might be busy, might not be busy. So we don't know.
Did you ask for the JM imports today?
No,
Did
not
you
yet.
ask him?
Because the date, I can't remember the date, was the 27th? No, 20th. We are actually racing the 2nd, 3rd and 4th of April, I think it is. Then 17, 18 or 18 and 19th as well. Now I'm trying to make Surfer to that event. Surfer doesn't make it that event, Middle will be making it to that event. Then the next day is the JM import day. If this works perfectly on Sunday, ideally I want to park this away for door slams. I was going to let that out, but fuck it, it is what it is. But it's going to come out fast show, so it might not even survive after fast show. I'm saying this because you're going to expect the worst for them, because when you take them to Pod, you are really pushing the limits on the cars, innit? You're not going there to dog about. You're racing against the clock, and the clock is the hardest thing to beat, bro. So because the clock don't make mistakes, drivers and other cars do.
True.
So
it's very true.
On that basis, we are going to be sending it. Now we've got 2 maps on this car. We haven't even, when we raced that Evo, we didn't even put that second map on. And quite frankly, I didn't even rev the car past 9. I think I was shifting about like 8.6. The other map goes to 9,800 RPM, where we're going to push it to.
Oh, what's that power figure? Is it the same?
It's the same figure.
Near
Well,
enough, so.
when we tried to do the extra 1,000 RPM, it started to wheel spin on the dyno. All 4 tyres. Dyno was reading 8,600.
BHP!
And we was revving to 900, 9,800 or 9,700 RPM.
Oh, damn.
So that 1,000, 1,100 RPM We don't know what it was. It's going to be good. It's going to be interesting. Good to see what it will do. I'm nervous. A lot of people are saying to me that it's going to better hold the steering wheel, as they say. It's going to dance left and right. It's going to twerk about a week ago, if you know the song. But yes. But it's one of my most exciting builds I think I've ever done. And still a big shout out to the other lad, Aaron, who I bought the car off. Bear in mind, I didn't do nothing to all-wheel drive system. I bought it as it was. I just did all my engine style stuff and then sequential, then fuel tech, then better transfer box. And the rest of the car was still his. I changed the suspension. I don't know if you can see from underneath. The guy is so crazy that he made his own diff mount kit. So as you can see, my billet arms and my billet arms, that's what I put on. Then you can just see a plate with a little hoop on the right-hand side. And it's just a plate that is. He made it out of steel. Nothing that we made or anything. And I was going to upgrade it all to better stuff, but I thought, the shit works. What's the point? So my boy here, Joseph, this is what this car is also called. His name is Joseph. I still got my jack spoiler to put on, but I ain't going to put it on for this weekend. I can't be bothered. I need to buy some hooks for it to go into there. But yeah.
So man, be taking the spoiler off to run, yeah.
I would have kept the spoiler on still, but they wanted the drag mood, innit? They only got the losing mood. They had issues, but that's their problem, innit? I come correct, I come to race. If I lose, I'll go home. We will rerun them. So he's coming weekend as well. But not in the Evo though.
Yeah.
He's coming in the Skyline to try and beat Titchy's time, 10-3.
It's gone away from you to Titchy. Yeah.
Everybody's run away from me now. Then nobody wants to race no more.
I'll race it, I mean, I'll lose, but I'll race it.
Yeah, no, obviously I've got that. That's why you're part of the team, because we don't give a fuck what other person are. So if anybody needs to know anything about the car, just PM me, man. I'll guide you. We are going to start selling the all-wheel drive kits from the garage. They will be supply and fitted. We have got a few on the go already. We are just waiting for all the parts to get delivered and we'll know exactly how long, what would take. But I've nearly got everything that we could buy off the shelf. So that'll be interesting.
Nice gloves though, Jam.
I know, beautiful. Thanks, man. You bought me 900 gloves.
300, but are you mediums?
Yes.
Good.
I don't like them bloody, what did you buy last time? Smalls, innit?
They're all mediums.
No, what you bought the first time ever you bought me gloves?
Medium.
Okay, they should be. But they're the Gatorade ones.
No, they're the one below the Gatorade ones.
Let's try one on. These do feel nice, you know.
They're not the thickest ones they do.
Yeah,
you don't like the thickest ones.
No, I don't, because that felt like my blood was getting taken out my hand. But these are
right.
okay.
They will cut, but it'll take a bit longer.
No, but that's alright, man. That works.
But the shit 30 ones that you buy, £5 a box. Shout out Miru.
Yeah, but that's lastminute.com round the corner, innit?
You wearing that glove like you're going bowling?
Oh, we went today, man. It was amazing. I need to wash the car in that time, man.
Man, you don't. You don't. Ooh. What's it? You put one glove on to push your car.
Yeah. Well, I just wanted to try
Well,
one.
who's gonna stop it?
Sure, stop, man. All-wheel drive. But yeah.
Come on, buddy. Up you go.
But your spray job looks good.
It looks better on camera.
That's like mine when I did it. That. A little mint.
But I did about 6 layers of.
But you didn't take out this line, man.
Oh, but I was gonna come back from work and my legs are going. Like, I don't care, man.
You should have just took it off, put it on this.
That's what I'm supposed to do, put it through the wing.
But you can do that later anyway.
Yeah,
It's not in the world.
Is that Chico?
You there? The blue thing, the killer of the streets. Welcome, Goof.
Big goof.
Kala.
Goofy, what you got, man?
Something from Tesco, you're up.
Give me like the American, you know, go to Asda buy a fuel tank.
Bro, Goofy's hiding his shit.
What you say, yo?
Goof, man. Let me see.
Nah,
man.
that's my mini server.
What, my name not manager?
Yeah, I built this up, then I fucked it back
well, I'll
up,
turn
and then
it
I
off.
took the engine out.
Yeah, it's
That's when So, you know what the plan is for this Sunday. 1st of March, we're going to be out in the all-wheel drive. The aim is to leave at 8. Hopefully, it's not too late and it dies. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, stay tuned, keep watching. And remember, order.